Hi writers, we've had a few days off from writing, so today we're going to take out our writing folders and remember that we are doing informational writing, which means we are writing teaching books. And when writers write informational books, they put one fact on one page. But they also do some thinking and planning first. Watch how I think and plan a new All About book so I can put one fact on one page. I'm going to take out my idea page and pick something. Oh, I think I'm going to write about giraffes today. I like giraffes and I think it would be fun to write about them. So I'm going to think about how many facts I know, plan across my fingers, and see how many pages my book will be. Okay, I know giraffes are tall. I know they have spots. I think they eat leaves. I'm not really sure. All right, my book is only going to be 2, or maybe if I think a little more, 3 pages. I know that if I really know about something, I actually know 5 things. All right, I think I'm going to go back and choose another topic and try again. Okay. Oh, you know what? Maybe chicks. All right, I'll do the same thing. I'll plan across my fingers and I'll see if I really know all about chicks, if I can write a good all about book. Okay, I know it takes 21 days for chicks to hatch. I know chickens come from eggs. I know chicks can grow in an incubator. I know chicks are wet and tired when they hatch. And I know chicks use an egg tooth, which is not actually a tooth, to help them crack out of the shell. Oh, I already know 5 things. I might even know more. All right, writers, when you know 5 things, you definitely know all about a topic. And this will make a great book. So now that I thought and I planned across my fingers, I'm going to get at least 5 pages, staple them together, and I'm going to sketch all of those ideas that I just planned out on my fingers across the pages. Now, don't worry, if you don't have time after your thinking and planning to finish all of your sketches today, just keep what you started in your writing folder, and then you can take it out the next time. But if you do finish, then you can go back to the beginning of your book and write the words that tell about your sketches all across the pages. Okay, writers, have fun writing today.